on the Fraser. We're actually almost there. We're almost back. Probably be another hour. Going between a bridge right now. So yeah, I took a little nap. It's pretty a slow ride. It's a slow ride when you get towed. So took a nap and now I woke up and we're almost there. Almost back. It was a fun journey. What are you saying?
How much? Oh, maybe about half of it, perhaps.
Hey, Louie. Hi, Whoopi. There's a bridge up ahead, and we had to call in for them to open it up so we can make it through.
Call for a swing. We'll probably try to tow through, Scott, and then we'll shorten up on the other side. If he's efficient as I asked him to be.
There's the bridge over there. This one here. Just like that, the bridge is open, ready for us to go through.
I think I'll just go right up into my berth.
Yeah, and just let the rope go around.
Let the rope go around.
Okay.
And
I can push it in.
You could probably, but it's the dinghy that's the problem.
Yeah, I'll take off and I'll push it in.
That's the plan. Just whipping around. She whipped good.
Oh, there's Pete. That's good.
She whipped good. It's about there. Kind of feels like deja vu. So I'm back at the marina. We're actually just gonna get started. She just got here, just brought her back. So we're gonna pressure wash the boat just a little bit to see. We have to do the top part because tomorrow it's gonna go on the lift and we are gonna do the bottom part. So yeah, maybe I'll show you before and after. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film the whole thing because it might get really wet. So yeah. There she is, ready to get pressure washed. Yeah. So we're going to be removing all this stuff. There's a lot of rust on her. Just remove all that stuff. And then at the top, as you can see, the deck is pretty grimy. So we're gonna try to do all of that today. See if I can go up top here. Yeah. Anyhow, at least we'll get her started. Start this restoration. pee. Oh, goodbye. I think I got it kind of clean. But yeah, looks a little bit better. Just laughing here. Yeah. Okay, so the blocks are in the middle, so we're just setting it up because the boat is 40 by 14. So the bars that are on each side are gonna have to like hug the boat so that it holds it in. So that's just pretty much what's going on.
Get it out of there, please. What?
Lots of rust to bang off. Taking the first look here. Bottom. Crazy. You gonna have some fun, Rick?
Hey?
You gonna have some fun? Tapping, tapping.
South.
The bottom is solid, yeah.
There's the odd pinhole, see? Anyway, you're gonna be a power washer today, we'll get a better look. But
yeah, that's the plan.
that's it. See, there's some of these, if you look here,
Yeah.
you feel see how deep it is?
Yeah.
You want to find out how much meat's left in there.
Oh, okay. Okay, now that it's out of the water, I have to pressure wash it so that I can have a better look at it and remove more of the rust. Look at her. Woo! looking dirty. Oh my god. Woo! Right here. Yeah, just busting my ass. Oh my god, I'm so dirty. Everything's so dirty. I love it. Hello. Before I go any further, I'm starting to demolish the inside a little bit so that we can look at the floor underneath. Let me show you. So I took out some of the boards, and there's definitely like about an inch of water there, and some rusty rusts, which is normal. So there's a bunch of like weights. Like, this is super heavy. They put metal in there, I guess, to balance things out. Anyhow, and I'm starting to demolish this wall. I'm gonna take off these boards here. I'm gonna do that all the way around because I want to see the hull, and I'm probably gonna insulate this in the future so it's not as cold in here. So I'm just gonna make my way around, maybe demolish that thing too. And yeah, I think I'm gonna put those boards back down, and then I'm going to remove the bottom boards. So yeah, wish me luck. Well, I did it. I demoed all the bottom walls, made a mess. Yeah, it's getting dark, so I'm gonna go back home, but yeah. All demoed. There's only like one little spot in that corner, and I have to do the bed too. But first I have to get rid of this mess, which probably will be tomorrow because it's raining outside and I'm getting a little tired. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Hello. Today is a brand new day. I'm going to finish some demo on the inside. Bring out some wood, clear it up so that we can take the floorboards down. So yeah, here we go. So this is Scott's progress. So you see the line there. So on this side, this is the blue steel. So he grinded all of the rust away and then added blue steel, which is like a paint that adheres to rust and stops it from happening. So you can tell on this side, still rusty. On this side, it's not. It's looking pretty good. Let's take a look on this side. So he did this entire side yesterday. I don't know if he added an extra coat or not, but yeah. So he did this side yesterday. And it's looking pretty nice. Yeah. Get some of my fingers. And he did the front too. Yeah, it's looking really good. Bravo! So I haven't quite decided what I want to do with this space. I am gonna sell this because it's just not as useful for me. But yeah, I haven't figured out what I want to do with the table. So this is the table with the 2 seats. I don't know, I might keep it, but I'm not sure yet. Because I do like the fact that there's a seating area, or I might make the seating area a little smaller. So we'll see. Hey, Scott!
Oh, Julian Marie!
What you working on?
Oh, I don't know. I was just yelling at Rick. He was yelling at me. It's just another day on the docks.
Well, I saw your grinding. It looks really good.
Looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, shortened my life expectancy. Yeah.
You're doing great. Thank you.
Oh, wow. I can see the tear in your eye, dear.
Blue steel. Very nice. There's my demo pile. Let's go check out what's on the bottom. So we undid the whole front part. There's a lot of rust. But yeah, she's gonna get all cleaned up, one board at a time, because there's like still an inch of water in there, so you gotta get that out. It's going well. It's looking pretty good.